Extensions in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central Overview. In this section on extensions, we'll explore what extensions are, review key configuration files, and walk through the process of developing a new extension from scratch. We will use Visual Studio Code, the development environment for Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central, to build and deploy these extensions. What is an extension? In Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central, all functionality is coded within objects. If you want to modify or enhance existing objects like tables or pages, you create extensions. Extensions are an object-based programming model that allow you to either create new objects or extend existing ones depending on your needs. Essentially, an extension adds functionality that modifies the behavior of the Business Central application without altering its core code. These objects are stored in AL code, application language code, and each object is saved in files with the bed AL file extension. Although multiple objects can be stored in a single AL file, it's recommended to keep one object per file for better organization. By using the AL language extension for Visual Studio Code, you can enjoy modern development tools like seamless publishing, debugging, and execution integration with Business Central. Once compiled, your extension is packaged into an app file which can be deployed on Business Central. You can also submit your extension to AppSource, Microsoft's marketplace, where your solution can reach thousands of potential customers globally. How extensions work. Extensions are developed using AL code, a language specifically designed for Business Central. This marks a departure from the older CAL language used in earlier versions of Dynamics Now. AL is more streamlined and efficient, making development faster and easier. Extensions interact with the core application by leveraging predefined events, enabling you to inject custom logic without modifying the system's base code. This modular approach brings significant advantages. By keeping the core code untouched, extensions ensure smoother upgrades. When Microsoft releases updates, your extensions can be reapplied without causing disruptions, ensuring compatibility. Additionally, the modular nature of extensions allows businesses to easily add or remove functionality as their needs evolve, offering flexibility without compromising system stability. Best practices for extension development. To make the most of extensions, it's important to approach development strategically. Assess your needs. Begin by identifying any gaps in Business Central's out-of-the-box functionality. Before developing a custom extension, explore existing extensions from trusted vendors to avoid unnecessary development. Customize. Thoughtfully, balance customization with standardization. While custom solutions can meet specific needs, leveraging readily available solutions can be more efficient. Keep customizations separate. Segregate customer-specific customizations into their own extensions for easier management and future updates. Plan for the future. Design extensions with lifecycle management in mind. Ensure they can adapt to evolving business needs and be easily updated. Test regularly. Regularly test and update your extensions. ideally in sync with Microsoft's update cycle, typically every 6 months, to ensure continued compatibility. Identify extensions early. Incorporating extension needs early in the planning stage ensures smoother implementation and fewer surprises during deployment. Exploring the extension ecosystem. You have two primary options when working with extensions. Microsoft AppSource. AppSource is a marketplace that offers a curated selection of certified extensions. These vetted solutions ensure compatibility and reliability, providing a quick and efficient way to extend Business Central's capabilities. Custom extensions. If your business requires specific functionality, you can develop custom extensions tailored to your needs. Regardless of whether you choose marketplace solutions or custom development, the underlying principles of extensions ensure that your system remains cohesive and adaptable. Conclusion. Extensions in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central give you the power to create a flexible and robust solution tailored to your specific business needs. By adopting a strategic approach to extension development, you can enhance functionality, boost efficiency, and ensure long term sustainability for your Business Central solution.